Hey, everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're on a quest to find the best watering can for your gardening needs. Whether you have a vast vegetable garden or a cozy balcony with potted plants, we've lined up the top contenders. From ergonomic designs to stylish looks, let's water our way to healthier plants. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, Kalibi One 8L 60 ounces watering can for indoor plants. Experience the versatility of the Kalibi watering can, perfect for nurturing your plants. Indoors and out. Featuring a detachable shower nozzle, it offers two convenient watering modes, a steady stream or a gentle shower. Its sleek, elongated spout effortlessly accesses every nook, ensuring precise water delivery to the soil. Crafted from durable, high-quality plastic, this watering can boasts a generous 1/8L capacity. Its robust design resists falls and compression, promising longevity. Available in a range of vibrant colors, green, gray, pink, and white, it adds a splash of style to your gardening routine. This budget-friendly option is designed with your comfort in mind. The detachable nozzle allows seamless transitions between watering modes, whether you prefer a soothing shower or a direct stream. Its ergonomic handle and lightweight construction ensure easy handling, earning praise from Amazon users for its user-friendly design. With its efficient functionality and charming aesthetics, the Kalibi watering can is a delightful addition to any gardener's toolkit. Number 2, Sukai 1/2 gallon 60 ounces watering can for indoor. Introducing the Puskai watering can, available in a spectrum of colors including green, gray, pink, and white. Crafted from robust, high-quality PP material, it's built to withstand falls and resist compression, ensuring durability for seasons to come. Equipped with a detachable nozzle, this watering can offers versatility with the flick of a switch, allowing you to alternate between a focused water column and a gentle shower irrigation. Its wide water inlet facilitates swift and hassle-free filling, while its strategically placed water outlets ensure even distribution across your plants. Featuring a lengthy spout, reaching tricky corners and tight spaces is a breeze. With dimensions of 14.9x5 3x7 inches and weighing a mere 9 ounces, it strikes the perfect balance between functionality and portability. Boasting a generous 1/8-liter capacity, it's ready to tackle all your watering needs. Pros: it is lightweight, it is made from durable, anti-fall, compression-resistant high-quality PP, it has a detachable nozzle. Cons: the sprout may leak. Number 3, Haas Bosmere Handy Indoor Watering Can, ideal for indoor watering tasks. This budget-friendly watering can holds a modest 1 liter, making it perfect for those tending to just a handful of plants. It's also an excellent choice for involving kids in gardening. Thanks to its manageable size, during our tests, we found it effortless to pour and direct the water precisely where needed. Plus, its feather-like construction, weighing less than 5 ounces, ensures easy handling. A standout feature is its removable rose, offering the flexibility to switch between gentle sprinkling and free-flow pouring with ease. When not in use, the rose conveniently screws onto a peg above the spout, minimizing the risk of misplacement. Available in a range of cheerful colors including red, light blue, and sage green, alongside the classic yellow, this watering can adds a splash of vibrancy to your gardening routine. Its ergonomic handle and compact capacity make filling and pouring a breeze, ensuring a hassle-free watering experience every time. Whether you're nurturing delicate plants or involving little ones in the joy of gardening, the Haas miniature watering can is a versatile and reliable companion. Number 4, Eat Palace 15 ounces stainless steel watering can. With its elongated spout, reaching high-hanging plants is a breeze. Enhanced by the sleek brushed metal finish that adds a touch of minimalist elegance to your gardening ensemble. While the handle may lack distinct ergonomic features, it still offers a well-balanced grip that feels comfortable in hand. One drawback of this watering can is its modest capacity, which, though making it easy to refill, may prove insufficient for watering a large collection of plants. However, its compact size makes it perfect for those with just a plant or two to tend to. It's important to note that a stainless steel watering can like this one is best suited for indoor use. While metal cans add a rustic charm to indoor gardening, they are susceptible to rust and corrosion when exposed to outdoor elements. To preserve their longevity, it's advisable to keep them protected from the elements. As expert Stark advises, they're best used inside, as you're less prone to drop them and dent or damage the metal. Number 5, X-Flower 1/5 gallon green watering can. Among the array of watering cans we put to the test, this model truly caught our attention with its array of distinctive features. The innovative double-handle design not only boasts ergonomic excellence but also provides a comfortable grip, perfect for transporting and hoisting to reach those elevated hanging flower baskets. One standout feature is the removable rose, coupled with a swiveling spout that allows for versatile water direction, be it upward for a gentle sprinkle or downward to suit your plant's watering requirements. Adding to its practicality, A cleverly designed cap can be secured over the fill hole, not only curbing splashing but also serving as a deterrent against unwelcome guests such as frogs seeking shelter. While its appearance might not win any beauty contests, we dare say it resembles more of a leaf blower. We found its functionality to outweigh any aesthetic reservations, particularly its effectiveness in garden plant care, pros, sprinkle, and pour options. Comfortable handles, cap for fill hole, cons, not as stylish as others we tested.